How to triple your eBay dropshipping profit by scaling your winning products. Let's start with example. If one of the listings in your store sold 15 times in the last 30 days, it means you found a winning product. The title drove relevant traffic, the photos and prices match the market and the buyer need, and boom, you have sold an item. So when you read between the lines, what do you understand here? The title work, the product have a good price, and the product specification is what the buyer was looking for. Can this information be leveraged for more sales and profit? Absolutely yes. But how? It's simple. You find another similar product, you use similar title, similar price, and boom, you've got a winning product. So let's discuss why it's so powerful. Number one, you cover more advertisement space. You rank more product on the top of the search results. Now, if someone search for example, if someone search for leather wallet and you have 3 listings on the top of the search result, it's most likely that the buyers will land on one of your listings than other sellers, other listings, because you have more listings on the top of the search result. Number two, we answer wider range of needs. So if buyers was looking for leather wallet, but you offer one red, one black, one brown, one blue, then everyone who was looking for blue will buy from you. Everyone who was looking for black will buy from you as well. You cover more need. If before you sold only one red one or only one black one, now you sell variety of colors. So when buyers arriving in your listings, you just answer more of their needs and you increase your conversion rate. Let me show you an example of a seller who used this method successfully and also show you how you can use it yourself. Alright guys, so we're inside ZIK Analytics in the competitor research, and I've analyzed this seller here that you can see. This guy generated in the last 30 days $6,000 in sales. I've already checked this guy dropship from Aliexpress to eBay. He have 321 active listings, 422 sold items, 131% sell-through rate. Out of 321 active listings, he have 118 successful this month, and the average selling price is $14. And he have only 433 feedbacks. So we all can agree based on his performance that this seller is doing very well. He's a beginner, only 433 feedbacks, have a great revenue. To people who don't know about dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay, just to give you an indication on how much profit this guy make, the usual profit, the average profit is 30%. So we're talking here about $1,800 profit from this store before the expenses. But because he have only 321 active listings, probably the expenses are not too high. Now, what I wanted to show you here is an example of successful seller, of a great performance seller who use this method, the method of scale your winning products. First of all, I wanted to show you that the performance of these sellers is great, because usually sellers who use this method they have the knowledge, they know how to sell on eBay, they know how to scale successful store, and this is part of their strategy. Now, if we scroll down, we will see here different products, right? So we can see here these shirts, and we can see different things. So what I will try to do is I will first of all try to see if there are products that repeat. So the shirts here, right? You have this hat. Let's see, so far I didn't see anything. There's another shirt here. Then you have this Lanqueria. He used Spanish titles, so Lanqueria, Lingeria. And when I see that he's using a lot of these similar products, what I can do for the example, I can just come here, copy the keyword, okay, Lanqueria, put it here in the search and click enter. And then I see if he scaled this product or not. And you can see that this seller, who generates $6,000 per month, he focused on this niche. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 listings with this category, with this niche, and he almost used the same title. Take a look. Lencería para mujer, lencería para mujer, lencería para mujer. He used almost same title everywhere because you already know this title drive traffic and sales. So what he did, he brought different colors, different models, different styles, etc. And this way he's generating more success. And you can see that the first product sold 7 times in the last 30 days, 6 times in the last 30 days, 4 times, 1 time, and 1 time. And if you look on the lifetime, 109, 29, 9, 15, and 24. And this is how he scaled winning product. He probably got this product first that was selling very well, 109 lifetime, we can see. And then he started to list similar products with different color, but similar title, etc., etc., etc. And I have another example here, guys. This is another store here. This guy doing $4,000 per month. He's beginner, he's just 173 feedbacks, $4,000 already. He can improve, but he's already doing quite well for someone with 173 feedbacks. And if I scroll down, I will do the same things. I will look on the pictures to see if there are any product that repeats. So I see here is glasses, here is glasses, here is glasses. And if I see this, I will do the same things. I will take the keyword here. So the keyword is glasses. I'll put it here. Okay, I'll clean everything, all the unnecessary keywords. I'll put it here. And I'll hit the enter. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4 listings. Focus on reading glasses, guys. 4 listings. And the sales are great. 5 sales, 4 sales, 4 sales, 1 sales, 8 in the lifetime, 9, 9, 7. This guy, again, doing very great work by scaling this product. So what you do when you do product research, you can use it in 2 different ways. First of all, when you do competitor research, you can analyze which winning niches they scale, what is their products, their winning products they scale, and then you can try to enter this niche as well and scale winning to this niche as well. But what I want you to do is I want you to look on your own store first. Every week, take 1 day for scale your winning products. Go to your store, look in your store for what are the winning products are. So let's, for instance, say this is your store, okay? And you don't need to search on the competitor research. You can just go to your eBay account, or you can just go to your lister and see, okay, what is my product that sold the most? Now you can also connect to your store to the store analytics. So let me show you how it looks. Let's open the dashboard. So if you join ZIK and you haven't yet connected your store, you will have a button here to connect your store. You can also go here to the management panel to store analytics and add your store here. And then you go to your store, and when you go inside your store and you scroll down, you can see the top performing listings of your store, okay? And then you can know how many transactions and what is the revenue. Now, why it's revenue? It's important because eventually revenue is the profit. The profit comes from the revenue, it's percentage from the revenue. So some products sell for higher price, they're still worth scaling them even if they sold less. So you can see, okay, this product here, Man Trendy Ultra Thin Minimalist Watch, sold 32 times in the last 30 days. It's a very good product. Let's try to find similar one. You already have the winning title. So what you will go next is we will go to Aliexpress. Give you an example so you understand everything. You will go to Aliexpress. You will copy the title of your listings. You will put it here. You only need the keywords that define the niche. So it's Man Trendy Ultra Thin Minimalist Watch. Click the search button. And then you get a lot of results. And then you have to see, okay, this product selling for 13 times. It's a black color. This is, this is the picture show how thin it is. And this is the things you need to focus on. And it says variations here as well. So you go here and you look for different brands, different styles, different things. You have this one, you have this one. This one, for instance, with a leather strap. You can find one with a mesh strap. And it sells for $3 with $1 shipping. It definitely can be scaled, for instance, okay? So this is your job, is to take this title, put it on a similar product, just tweak the title a little bit, maybe put the color, the brand, the one word to be different. That's it, only one word to be different. Make sure you're around same price. Now, if you bring something with higher value, like materials, or better features, you can increase the price a little bit, and that's it. And remember that there are buyers for every style, every color, every type. We don't know what buyers like. The only way to know is to offer and see if we sold the product. So the thing is, and mainly with fashion products and stuff like this, is that you have a lot of variety because, okay, this product here sold because the way it is here. The picture, the title, the price, everything match. So you need to go and try to bring something which is not exactly same. Okay, for instance, this one is not exactly same. Okay, the focus is on the ultra thin, but this one is a golden one. This is a great thing because what if someone came to your listings and he said, you know what, I was looking for gold one, or he just like more gold. This is his style. So he will go here and he will pick this one from you. All right. So I hope, guys, you learned. This is how you scale your winning products. I show you examples of successful sales. I show you how to do it yourself. I wish you best of luck. If you find this video valuable, you can smash the like button. You can subscribe to our channel. And if you have questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them personally. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.